good, beautiful people of the YouTube space? Oh, shit. Another day, another video. Today, it's gonna be drive and talk. Drive and talk video. I got some things I need to get off my chest. Or maybe I should call it, what should I call it? Maybe I call it chit chat scat. That sounds stupid. Yep, another drive and talk video. Yeah, let's just get right into it with the start. This car has like the longest cold start. It's ridiculous. All right, let me get my camera set up and bring you guys right back in. Sync the audio. All right. Fucking go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, guys. Hope you guys have been having a great day and things are going your way and all that fun stuff. Another drive and talk video from your boy, your big bro, your unenthusiastic car enthusiast, OEM Plus. Yeah, got a good little topic for you. Hopefully my camera isn't shaking too bad back there. I think it is, but we'll see. We'll see. If anything, I'll just switch the view when it gets too crazy. But today, topic of today's video is construction zones. I'm like, what? The hell are you talking about, construction zones? What does that have to do with anything? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because it's a metaphor. Construction zones is a metaphor. Not to be taken literally. So when I say, when you think about a construction zone, construction site, you think about, restriction, limited availability. Of course, it's work in progress. Things are constantly happening, a lot of moving pieces happening at the same time. You're more alert of what's going on when you're in the construction zone, right? So, that's what I mean by a construction zone. So I want to paint that picture first. So what does it have to do with anything? It's a good question. Pretty much what I like to think about my car and even my life as construction zones. Work in progress. I'm building something, and it's only a certain amount of people and qualified people that can be near these important parts of my life. So, when I think about a construction zone for my car, right, that's the brands I work with, the people that I even tell my plans to, the shops that I work with, although I do most of the work myself because I'm just that guy, you know. But, you know, just everything, even the community. There's a lot of great people in every car community, but there also are some not so great people, and you have to be weary of that. And so you be mindful of that construction zone. And when you think about like, let's say they're building a Trump Tower, you know, big, it's massive, it's grand, it's like the best thing out. The construction zone is bigger because the building's taller. It's a lot more at risk. And also the people who are building in that construction zone are highly qualified. So you gotta have highly qualified people to build a highly qualified space or environment. So as you start to build your cars, and you know you're going through these journeys, your construction zone and the people that you have in that will change. You know, depending upon the scale of your build. So you know, for me, it's like I'm building this car. This $90-something thousand car, and I put a lot of money into it already. I'm very, very, very particular of the parts, the brands, the people, the things that I associate my brand, which is OEM Plus, and just myself with in regards to my car. That's my construction zone. That's my limitation. So, and I make that very clear. Now, when you think about your life, because I think that's where it starts. You think about your life, you know, building yourself, your character, personal development. I'm very big into that. You know, you want to surround yourself with people who are like-minded, who are qualified, who are going to help build the better version of yourself through networking, through proximity, and things of that nature. So that construction zone is a lot different, and it's a lot more, detailed and limited. You know, it's exclusive. So, you know, it's pretty much like where the analogy or the metaphor comes from when I talk about construction zones. You know, so maybe after you listen to this video, you can start to have accountability of the people that you associate with day in and day out. That's in your construction zone as you build yourself, as you build your projects, build your YouTube channel, build your cars, whatever it is you're building, your construction, you're constantly building. So whatever that may be, you might need to reevaluate some things and, you know, see who's got access, because some people might not need access. They might be in there still in copper. You know what I'm saying? So you might need to like check it and, you know, change some things. So that's pretty much the gist of what I'm trying to say. I won't drag it on too long, but I think it's a good topic, you know, to understand that you are responsible for your construction zone and the people you allow in it. So build your car, build your person, build your brand, build your life, and I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see what you guys have in store, and I'm definitely going to share with you guys what I have in store, and as this journey continues, because it's always a work in progress. So that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm going to enjoy some interstate driving. I'm on a toll right now, and yeah, it should be pretty cool if I can get past this traffic. bit of traffic. You gonna get stupid? No, he's not gonna get stupid. Am I gonna get stupid? What gear am I in? You ever forget what gear you're in? Oh, these bucket seats. Crazy.